Our mission is to enable customers to create smart, clean, and efficient production. The Industrial Efficiency Program is a really important program. Performance testing has always been very important for us and our customers. 10 years ago, we did not even think about using drones. Today, we're using them consistently throughout the year with our customers. We leverage technology such as thermal camera, thermal imaging, and thermography to identify leaks and corrosion opportunities for customers to fix, as well as fluid flow analysis to understand where customers may be losing energy. We use both of these technologies to look for quantifiable and qualified information that we can use to help our customers improve. We help them pre-plan by using the Industrial Efficiency Program. That in turn allows them to reduce their operational expenses as well as increase their profitability such that they can invest in other things like upgrades across their plant. ProcessBarron believes that it's important to help industry, but also protect the environment. That's why we enable customers to provide smart, clean, and efficient production. The drones we've implemented are just the first solution in our strategy to improve our testing capability.